Absolutely everything that you want will come true. The only one condition is you have to give it 100% of your energy. Like, you're not supposed to leak your energy anywhere. For example, if I want to do something, all my energy should only be focused on doing that thing. The problem is, we think we are giving it all the energy while we are constantly leaking our energy in different things, like in daydreaming, in stressing, in worrying, and in checking the result, in checking the progress. You're not supposed to do any of that. None of that is in your hand. How longer will it take? It is not in your hand. Let me tell you, it is in your hand once you have reached that particular state of consciousness. Then if you have reached that particular state of consciousness, whatever you wish, you would just think for it and it would happen. But until you are on your way, there is a perfect timing for everything. Believe in that timing. What you're supposed to do, you're only supposed to walk on your path, and you're not supposed to think of anything. So this would also need you to have faith, to surrender yourself. How would you do that? Like, how would you put 100% of my energy? Like, when I want to do something, my only and only focus should be I want to do that, and not in, oh my god, it is taking so long, okay, let me just check how much progress have I made. None of that. You are supposed to give your 100% energy, and you're supposed to work in all ways, all the ways, like physically, because even if you are doing energetic work, you are still living in a physical human body. You live in a physical 3D world, so you are still here living the life of a human being. So the rules of the world will still apply to you, will still apply on you. Okay, yes, you are energy, yes, you are not a human, but right now you're still living inside a human body. You are still living in a physical 3D world, so you're still supposed to follow those rules. You can always bypass those rules though, but that will only happen when you have reached a certain state. So you are supposed to work physically, like all the other. Do not ever think, do not have that spiritual ego. Don't think, oh, I am awakened, I don't have to work like other people, I will. No. You are supposed to work, but not in a wounded way like other people are. You are supposed to work from a place of detachment, from a place of knowing, I'm just doing what I'm supposed to do, none of this matters. At the end of the day, I am an energy, I am free, none of this can bind me. With that mindset. But you still have to work, you still have to physically work. And not just physically, you have to physically work, you have to energetically work. All your thoughts should be about what you are supposed to do, not about anything negative. Oh my god, this is taking so much time, oh my god, this is not happening. No, not those kinds of thoughts. Only positive thought that I have to do this, I will do this, and this is, for doing this I need this and this. All those things. Even if you do not take any physical action, but you dedicate, you literally devote every breath you take to what you want to do. Like, you keep thinking about it, not stressing, healthy thinking. Like, you keep thinking, I need to do this, I want to do this, I have to do this, I have to do this. If you keep saying that in loop, your body after some time would naturally start taking action, because your mind would literally force it to take action, because all you do all the day is just to think about that thing. That thing should be so deeply embedded in your core that you could not, like, if you have a purpose, if you have a vision, you're supposed to devote your life to it. If you are living life for yourself, it's a very small life. Like, your vision should always be larger than life. And when you have that, you cannot afford, oh, it's not working. Okay, the thing is, you are supposed to dedicate all your energy to one direction. If you are just giving all your 100% of your energy in one direction, there is no way it will not happen. The problem is, we are never giving 100% of our energy. Some percentage of our energy goes in comparing, oh, that person have made it this far, I can't do that. Some other percent of our energy goes in stressing, oh my god, this is taking too much time, I don't think so I can do that. Some other percent of energy goes in daydreaming, oh wow, what will happen when this. No, You have no idea how much you're leaking your energy. And even when you're discussing about what you want to do with other people, you're actually leaking your energy. Just shh, keep doing. You're not supposed to leak your energy anyway. Put 100% of your energy in what you are doing, and there is absolutely nothing in the world that will not come true, because you hold the real power. You hold the real power. You are the creator. You are literally creating everything. You are the universe. You are one with it. You have done everything. You are doing everything. And just do whatever you want to do. Do it with this realization. You're not supposed to waste your energy, to leak your energy. Unknowingly, we leak so much of our energy. If you would just put it in what you want to do, there is absolutely nothing in the world that will not come true. Absolutely nothing is bigger than you. Nothing is bigger than you. Nothing is bigger than you. You are the creator. You are creating everything. You have done it. So just put it. Like, what we focus on expands and expands and expands and keeps expanding until it has no choice but to manifest. The problem is you're leaking your energy here and there. So don't leak your energy. That is the message of the day. Don't you leak your energy. You're here to do big things. Don't leak your energy.